can only mean one thing. Time to get right with it. Time for the paint. I don't think it'd be too bad because it's no humidity today. So we should be good. So if you didn't get the idea yet, we're clawing out this 72 by 19 ATL sand bed. Good morning, family. You guys just sit back on your favorite chair, get comfy, watch us get right with it. You liking it, Harry? Ah, he likes it. Harry likes it. Well, we're getting a rhythm. We're getting the claws to her. It's a lot of the same. Dig, move, repeat, put sand in. You guys seen it all before. You guys hate my septic videos. You're just watching it for me. I appreciate it. Coming together. I definitely think starting early definitely helps. And there's no humidity till tomorrow, they say. That's a big deal. Just when you're not sweating your guts out, life don't seem miserable. As miserable. Old Harry there, he's doing pretty good. I just hooked him up with a Lonnie. He'll be all, could go one or two ways, good or bad. The good, he could be really, then the bad, he could OD or something, and we'll have to Narcan him or some shit. I don't think that'll happen. Just get the pipe cleaner glue out, put that in his buffer. If he gets that in his buffer, he'll wake up. And when his mouth's up, we'll pour a little bit down his mouth. Man, this is really good dirt, I'll tell you that. Tim said I could dig this one all the way up to 4 foot deep. Definitely hitting on all 8 right now. It's like a well-oiled machine. And then we just put rocket fuel into our system, so it's going to be wide open. I just told Hammer it's one of his best buddies from back in the day's birthday today, old Weepo Willie Fields. You talk about an outlaw.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow night.
Talk about stories. We got him with him, man. He was come from down in the hills of Kentucky. Wild. All the sand's in. It's about 11 o'clock. Ain't too bad. We really got started about probably about 7:45. Ain't too bad. 8, 9, 10, 11, 3 hours. And I overdug that. It was only supposed to be 19. I ended up 22. They'll get their money's worth. Orschell Excavating. Starting to get a little hot midday out here in the sun. Putting her snakes together. Pull her by the ears, Harry, make her scream. There you go, here. Yeah, baby. You love it, don't you? He's a good dude right there. Old Harry. Is this one home? Yeah, it looks like it. How many, what we got? Is them all together? Oh no, is there a single?
No, I don't think there's an odd number.
Really? Hope we got enough. Well, we got going, and like always, he didn't send or didn't get the fitting sent right. And I cleaned my truck out. Normally I have a truck full from when I'm out here because you're never close to the store. But I think I have enough. I'm not sure. What do you think, Carlito? And they're street 90s, so they actually might work out better. Who knows? But that's what I said. I always keep that truck completely full. I mean, you guys would comment and tell me to clean it out. What the hell's that?
That's Harry's knife.
Why is it on the end of the pipe? Harry, you lost your knife. You lost your gutting tool. Let's see if we can see if we can make this happen. So we're going in, out, so we got 90 down around this way. You guys on here that runs trucks, so you always get these, your US DOT number. They're like are always texting me stuff. It's all scam too. All the time. So many people out there wanting to scam and get their pound of flesh. Just go to friggin' work. Easier. I tell you, these young kids, they just ain't lived. I just asked Harry if he ever dreamed of hitting somebody in the face with something like this, and he said no. Well, he hasn't experienced all the shit we have yet. Let's get the sand on top of these things. It's got a nice hammer to teach the young guys how to do it. It's nice on this one too. There's a lot of dirt. Get our ends here first. Make sure get our ends sanded. Make sure the pipe's up over so it breaches the right way. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we got to get them pipes up above. Basically what they want the water to do is go in and kind of slow down in this pipe and then breach over to that one. So I got to get them tilted up. There's one. What do you think, Braden?
I don't know.
You never? No, how come you guys don't ever know anything?
What am I supposed to do?
Well, just say, hey, this is
You tell them you work from here down.
You say this is bitching.
I work from here down.
See, the caddyman comes with a welcome mat. Well, we got it all somewhat just laid in there. Everything's done. Now I got to tie from here to their end and finish grade it. And then they're going to tie from there and I got to abandon the back there. Right, Carlito?
Yep.
Wasn't too bad. I think playing some music. Oh, what the heck? Cumberland Gap. Where the hell did that come from? Oh, it's crazy. Here's where we're at. It's 4 o'clock. We started about 7:30, so pretty good day all in all. Field's all in. We ran out of glue, so I couldn't tie in. I tell you what, the boys kicked ass today. It's hard to get high school kids to come out and want to sweat their guts out and put it all on the line out in this hot weather, but man, it's my buddy Blake's boy, man. He comes from a long line of hard workers, and he's got the blood in him, man. not crying around. Just get it, man. Hats off to them guys. And then you guys that are watching, man, don't be afraid to get in and get it. Give it your all. I told Kosa, I said, he was kind of like hitting the sand. So I said, dude, your work's your name. Don't let your name, don't let your work dictate your name. You do bad work, you got a bad name. Till the next one. Didn't really record much. I don't know. You guys don't like these septic videos, so I don't know. Hot. No, it ain't hot. Man, I tell you, driving home, reflecting back on the day, when we start working like that, man, I just get in my zone and everything's just, I don't know, it's weird. I'm reflecting back and I'm like, God dang, I was kind of yelling on the guys and stuff like that. And I'm like, man, I hope it don't make them mad. But man, when I'm in the zone and I see you're not doing something right, I just let you know. I reflected back, I'm like, man, I hope I wasn't too hard on them. Oh no. When you're in that work zone, everything's just happening, man. Everything's firing, like everything's hitting on 8. I'm hitting on 8 anyway. Oh well. Better have tough skin to be in this game, I guess all I'm saying. It's funny, just reflecting back on the way home of the day, and it's like, man, oh well. I got yelled at a ton when I was coming up. When I say yelled at, I didn't, you know, I didn't yell too bad. Whatever. Well, how was it your first day, Harry? Look at that sweat.
Yeah.
He's beaten, bruised, black and blue. How was it?
Pretty good.
What Colson rope you into? He's got the Callaway, boy. He's like his dad. He's a hard worker. If it didn't kill you, it just makes you stronger, right?